Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we are going to be talking about computer science majors, web development to be exact. So why choose this path? The fun thing about web development is that it's like building Legos. First you start off with some basic code format, then you start building inside of that. You get to see your website grow little by little every time you click on that save button, which is a really nice awesome feeling. Another benefit about web development or any type of computer science, to be honest, is you could do it anywhere. You could do it at the beach, you could do it at your house, at your cousin's house, at school, anywhere you could think about. Money is another thing. The more effort you put into your work, the more money you'll get. Since you're working on your own time, you get to work at your own pace. But remember, the more effort you put in, the more money you make. Lastly, web development won't really get old. There will always be a company out there looking for somebody to build their website. So where do you start? Like any other majors, there are 100 classes that everybody should take before getting into the other classes. In this case, that would be Computer Science 100, aka Survey of Computing. In this class, you'll learn a lot about hardware and software, but keep in mind, it's not really needed to learn how to code. Next, you're going to need Computer Science 102, which is Web Development 1, the basic class that will teach you about HTML and CSS. After that, you'll be able to take Computer Science 116, which is Web Development and Programming. Here you'll be able to start to learn PHP as well as some HTML and CSS. Then later on, of course, there will be other programs that you can learn about. So the industry for web development is quite good. According to BLS.gov, an average pay is $32 an hour or $68,000 a year. The number of jobs was 163,000 in 2016 with a growth rate of 15% through 2026. That's a pretty fast rate. Now, to conclude this short video, I'm going to be asking myself 3 questions listed right here. These are questions I just thought about. Maybe somebody would ask me if they were, new to web development. So the first question I have here is, why are you doing web development? I am actually doing web development because of 3 main reasons. The first reason is that you could do it anywhere and you don't have to work for somebody. You could get a client whenever you want. So it's like it's an on-off type of thing, or you could have it your full-time job. It's whatever you feel like it. My second reason is mainly because I don't want to spend thousands of dollars for somebody to make a website for me when I could do it myself. So the next question here I have is it hard? And a straight up answer to that is yes. Coding is hard. It's always hard when anybody starts something new, but coding is a whole new language and you do have to pay attention. You do have to really try, do every examples out there to really get the hang and feel of it. But after a little bit, I'd say about halfway through of Web Development 1, I got really used to CSS and HTML and I could fully function around it without worrying about anything at all. So my third question here is tips. Do I have any tips for new coders coming into this coding life? Yeah, of course, I got tips for you guys, and one of the first ones would probably just to relax. You have to come into this knowing that it's going to be around you wherever you go, so you have to really just enjoy what you're doing coding. That's one of the reasons why I did it too. It's just, it could be fun. It can't be fun. It's what you make it. Okay, so my last tip is going to be try to get a hold of somebody that knows how to code. Like find a classmate, chat with them, and make sure you guys have each other's back, because one of the worst things to come around of in coding is not knowing what you did wrong. And trying to get answers on that online is very difficult, since sometimes it takes hours for somebody to respond. So make sure you have that one person you can rely on and they can rely on you, and it'll make your life a lot easier, trust me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had lots of fun making it. Yeah, computer science is fun. I hope you guys get interested in it, and if you do, make sure you have fun. Peace out, guys.